Looking for the best solar option without wasting money on the wrong setup? In this ranking, we're going from the weakest pick to the strongest one, so you can see exactly which product makes sense for your needs and which one really stands out. This one lands in last place, and not because it is bad. It lands here because it is not actually a solar panel at all. It is a portable power station, so for a video about the best solar panels, it simply does not fit the category as cleanly as the others. That said, it is still an important product to mention, because some shoppers end up comparing power stations and panels as if they are the same thing, and they really are not. What this unit does bring to the table is serious stored power. You get a 1070 watt-hour battery, a 1500 watt output, a 3000 watt surge ceiling, and a lighter body than many competing stations in this class. In real life, that means it can run appliances and electronics directly, which a bare panel cannot do on its own. It also has LiFePO4 battery chemistry and a compact design that reviewers have praised for portability and overall usability. The downside is simple. If you came here for solar collection, this is only half the story. You still need panels to harvest energy, and one review also points out that its solar input tops out at 400 watts. The battery is not expandable, and the solar connector setup is dated compared with more flexible competitors. So, yes, it is a useful backup power box, but no, it is not one of the best solar panels because it is not a solar panel. I would recommend this to someone building a broader camping or emergency backup setup who needs stored power first and solar second. If your goal is actual panel performance, though, the next products make much more sense. And yes, links to all the products in this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In fourth place, we have the small SOLPERK panel kit. This is one of those products that solves a very specific problem really well, but it is not trying to be a full solar solution. Think of it like a battery babysitter. It is built more for keeping a 12-volt battery topped up than for delivering meaningful power for larger off-grid needs. The good news is that it is simple, compact, and purpose-built. It includes the panel, a controller, and an adjustable mounting bracket, so it feels more complete out of the box than many bare panels. It is designed to maintain 12-volt batteries used in cars, boats, EVs, tractors, and similar gear. And the listing also claims solid weather resistance with tempered glass, an aluminum frame, and long-term durability. For storage vehicles or equipment that sits for long periods, that can be genuinely useful. Where it falls behind is output. 20 watts is just tiny compared with everything else in this ranking. It is not the panel you buy when you want serious charging speed, portable power station support, or meaningful off-grid production. It is also really more of a maintenance tool than a flexible power panel, so comparing it with 200 watt and 400 watt options feels like comparing a drip coffee maker to a full espresso bar. Both make coffee, but one clearly does a lot more. This is the right pick for someone who wants an affordable, low-power trickle charger and nothing more. If that is your use case, it makes sense. But if you want something more versatile for camping, blackouts, or portable power stations, the next option is where things start to get more interesting. And while you're here, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. In third place, we have the SOKIOVOLA portable panel. This is where the ranking starts to feel like real solar shopping, because now we are looking at a panel with enough power to pair with portable stations and cover actual outdoor charging tasks. Compared with the tiny maintainer kit before it, this is a major step up in usefulness. What I like here is the convenience package. It is a foldable 200 watt panel with monocrystalline cells, MC4 output, a generous adapter bundle, and a 5-in-1 extension cable that supports a wide range of power stations. The included stand setup, magnetic handle design, carrying bag, and IP68 waterproof ETFE coating all make it feel built for real outdoor use rather than just spec sheet bragging. It also claims high conversion efficiency, and on paper the output numbers are strong for a portable panel in this class. The reason it does not go higher is that a lot of the strongest information around it comes from marketplace listings and reposted manuals, rather than a robust official product page with deeper technical support. That does not automatically make it bad, but it does make it a little harder to trust long-term versus brands with better documentation and more established ecosystems. So while it looks impressive, it feels a bit more like a promising value play than the most confidence-inspiring choice in the lineup. I would point this one toward campers, RV users, and portable power station owners who want strong output and lots of connector flexibility without spending premium money. It is a solid middle pick, but the next product feels more proven and a little easier to recommend with confidence. In second place, we have the GRECELL panel, and this is where the balance really comes together. It is still portable and travel-friendly like the SOKIOVOLA, but it comes with clearer official specs, a stronger brand presence in the portable power space, and positive long-term impressions from third-party testing. For a lot of people, that makes it the safer buy. Feature-wise, it checks the boxes you want in a serious foldable panel. It is rated at 200 watts, uses monocrystalline cells, offers a 23.5% conversion rate, and has MC4 output for broad compatibility. The official page also lists its voltage and current figures clearly, which helps if you are trying to match it with a portable station or build a more thought-out off-grid setup. In long-term user testing, the construction quality was described as better than most similar 200-watt foldable panels, which matters because portable solar gets moved, folded, dragged around, and generally treated a lot harder than rooftop gear. Its main limitation is the same thing that holds back many portable panels. It is excellent for mobility, but it is still not the highest total output solution in this comparison. If your priority is a fixed installation or the most raw solar production for the money, a larger rigid bundle can make more sense. So while the GRECELL is one of the best portable picks here, it stops just short of first place because the top product simply delivers more overall panel capacity. This is the panel I would recommend to people who want the best blend of portability, verified specs, and everyday usability. It is the one I would feel comfortable tossing in an RV, taking on road trips, or pairing with a power station for emergencies. But if you want the strongest pure panel package in this lineup, the #1 product takes it. In first place, we have the Eco-worthy bundle, and this one wins because it is the strongest actual solar panel package in the group. While the portable 200-watt options are easier to carry, this setup gives you 4 rigid 100-watt panels for a total of 400 watts, which simply puts it in a different league for real energy collection. If your goal is solar first, this is the most capable option here. There is a lot to like. Eco-worthy's own specification page lists pre-drilled holes, bypass diodes to reduce shade losses, an IP65 rated junction box, corrosion resistance, and load ratings for wind and snow. That makes it much more suitable for semi-permanent or permanent off-grid setups than the foldable travel panels. You are looking at a bundle that can fit sheds, cabins, RV systems, boats, farms, and backup installations, where steady generation matters more than grab-and-go convenience. In my experience, this is the kind of setup that starts feeling like a real solar project rather than just a nice accessory. The trade-off is portability and simplicity. These are rigid panels, not an easy fold-up panel you can carry to the campsite in seconds. Installation takes more planning, more space, and usually more supporting gear, so it is not the best pick for casual users or anyone who wants an all-in-one travel solution. But judged on actual solar panel value and total generating potential, it earns the top spot. I would recommend this to buyers who are serious about off-grid charging, battery banks, RV systems, or fixed backup setups, and want the biggest solar step up in this lineup. It is the strongest panel choice here. and it is the one that most clearly matches the title of Best Solar Panels. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video, and pick the one that actually matches how you plan to use solar. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, subscribe to the channel and come back for more straight-to-the-point product rankings.